I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the apps and confirming compatibility. Open the 2 apps you plan to use, then pull up the Recent Apps overview. Once done, tap the app icon or 3-dot menu above the first app card and choose Open in split screen view. This anchors the first app to the top or left. Make sure the second app is visible in the Recent list or app drawer so you can select it quickly and place it into the other pane. Now place the second app into the open split pane and configure the layout. You tap the second app and it fills the remaining space. Then drag the central divider to resize the panes to your preferred ratio, making one app larger for reading or the other for input. If you need temporary focus, some Samsung phones let you convert one pane into a pop-up view. Use the app menu or drag gestures to toggle between pop-up and full-screen behaviors for smoother multitasking. To finish, collapse split screen or switch back to single app use. Drag the divider all the way to one edge or open the app icon menu and select Exit Split Screen to return to normal mode. If an app becomes unresponsive, close it from Recent Apps and reopen in split view. If issues persist, reboot the phone and verify system updates. Lastly, confirm the app supports multi-window. Some content-protected or legacy apps will block split screen and need alternative workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.